guys, so do you notice something different about me? Is something looking funny? I hope you say yes, because if not, then I'm doing something totally wrong. This side, the eye, the brow is done. This one, not so much. So I'm going to show you what I did to this side, and I'm going to try and keep it simple, but I just want to keep filling you guys with information, and it's so hard for me to keep it simple. All right, so first of all, eye primer. I have hooded eyes, which means that this here part of my eye like sits on top of my eyelid all the time. And we do have Glorious Primer, and that's for all over your face. But this, I find, makes a huge difference. And I'm not always awake in the morning. And so I will forget to apply it, and by lunch, it's gone. And I have like a line of makeup like right there in the crease. So if I do use it for real, I notice a huge difference. Okay, so there you go. I put on the primer. Then what I do, you guys can do it whichever way, whichever order you want. You can put your liner on after, you can put it on before. I like to put it on before. Don't ask me why, and I'm not very good at it. When I do it to other people, I'm like surprised myself at how good I am. I think what I do to other people is I lift this up. I think that's what I do. But yeah, that doesn't happen for me, and that's probably why I do it beforehand, so that some of the eyeshadow covers it up. So yeah, that looks good enough. And then I just kind of rub it in there. Mostly why I use eyeliner is because I'm missing a few lashes. So I like to cover up that fact with the liner. And our perfect liner, done, stays, no problem. All right, so got the liner going on. Then what I have started doing is applying blush. This one here is Sweet Blush. I apply it with my purple. I apply it with my brown. I don't know why. Like, I just like it. Like, it's my lately thing that I do. So I coat this here part of your eye, the part that covers your eyeball. And then I get a little bit more and I put it right here in the crease. If you guys have hooded eyes like me, you want to bring more color over here so that it is seen when your eye is like this, because then you're like, oh, you're not wearing any eyeshadow. Oh yeah, look, I am. Huh? All right, so you want to put a little bit of color right up in here. This is just what I do. You do not have to do this at all. You can completely skip this step completely. Really, no hard feelings. It's all good. All right, so then I'm going to take my palette number 1. Love the palettes. My Y sister Amy just did a video using palette 2, and it makes me feel like I need palette 2. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is Sincere. It's right here, second one. And I'm going to take it, and I'm just going to load this baby up right in here. And it's got the shimmer. Is not big shimmer. I don't know how to describe that. The splurge shadows, and I put it right here. I have like a bigger piece of glitter, maybe. I don't know what it is. This is like a nice little shimmer. I really, 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 really like it. All right, so apply that like so. Then taking the same brush, I'm using the same brush, folks, the angled shadowed sponge brush. Love this. Then I'm gonna go and take Forthright, which is this here dark one. Ooh, don't be scared. So I'm gonna load it up just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna put it like that. I'm gonna make like a, what's that, an arrow or something? This is just what I do, okay? We'll fill that in a little bit. Okay, just like that, okay? Then I'm going to take my tissue. I'm going to wipe the excess of that darker one off. You can use another brush if you like, but I'm just trying to keep it simple. So then I'm going to go back with my Sincere. I'm going to bring that in over more. I'm going to see if I can like match the two eyes. I'm going to blend. Take the color off your brush and blend it into your normal skin. If you want, you can add a highlight right here if you like. I am not doing that today. So there, I think we're matching pretty good. If not, it's none of their business. All right, so I like it. That's what matters. All right, so then to finish the look off, mascara, yes, but I'll do that in a different video. Always mascara. So I'm going to take my brow pencil and my brow gel. First of all, like, what is this thing? This is called a spoolie. You're going to just straighten out your brows. As you can see, I barely have any. And what is the rule with brows? You want to have this lined up. That's where you want your brow to start. You want your arch you use your nose for everything. You want it to line up like this. That's where you want your arch. I don't have like a major defined arch, but it does start going down there. And you want them to end right there. Using your eyeball and your nose, you want them to end right there. So let's attempt that on the other side. If I make any mistakes, feel free to comment down below. Or don't. Alright, so I am going to maybe use this mirror down here. And you do not have to be super careful about this at all. As you can see, I look, you know, like I've just started coloring or something. I'm going to follow the natural line of my brow across. Fill in below. I'm going to go down below, fill in the bottom, take it over, and then down. See, it's at the end of my pupil. And then down. You can use your finger to blend if you feel like you did it wrong. But look at this awesome little trick. So I'm going pretty heavy over here. Why? To show you something. A little something, something. All right. So then I'm going to take my spoolie end and magic happens. All right. So then I'm going to take it and I'm just going to brush just a little bit. Oh, that's too dark there. Okay. So there we go. See? Make sure you go through your brow just to blend all the pencil in so there's no lines. And ta-da, folks, we are good to go. Super easy, super simple, super quick, super, super, super. All right, so then I'm going to take my gel. For those of you who are blessed with bigger brows, you might not need this. Maybe you do to keep your brow hairs in line. But this has got tiny little fibers in it to give you a little bit more volume if you need it, like me. And also it keeps your unruly hairs in place and seals everything in, gives it a nice little finish. And ta-da, we are good to go, ready for mascara. Thank you very much. Bye.